Welcome. Hola, bienvenidos. Kamusta? Maligayang pagdating. Bonjour, bienvenue. Ni hao, 欢迎. Привіт, ласкаво просимо. Namaste, स्वागत है.
Welcome to the Saskatoon and Region Home Builders Association 33rd Annual Housing Excellence Awards. Tonight, we celebrate the achievements and success of the companies who build the homes and communities where we all live, work, and play. As we gather here today, we acknowledge we are on Treaty 6 territory and the homeland of the Métis. We pay our respect to the First Nations and Métis ancestors of this place and reaffirm our relationship with one another. Let us bow our heads. Tonight, let us give thanks for our meal and grant goodwill towards one another. Let us be a source of hope for those in need and a light of inspiration for those we serve. Through a warm heart and gentle spirit, let us express gratitude for our opportunities and successes, while we continue to live and lead with love, humility, and kindness. With thanks and appreciation, you are invited to begin your salads while we prepare for an amazing evening of success, achievement, and celebration. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your hosts for this evening. From Rock 102, Whitney Graves and Ryan Sullivan.